Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your password. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, there isn't like a direct way to get a password on Slack, but you can like have just some workaround like for password stuff and logging in and authentication on Slack. So basically, for example, if you want like to log in with your password in the email address from the first part, you will be needing just to simply add your email address and password on registering. So when you sign up, you will need just like to respect the method of signing up. So simply if you were like signing up with your Google, you won't be needing a password and you won't even have like a password for Slack since you are signing with Google. That means you are simply using your Google credentials. That means you have no password in that. Otherwise, if you have been signed up with an email address and you have entered your password, etc., you will be able to start resetting your password by like clicking on I forgot my email, and then you will be able to start like to check your inbox for a confirmation code so you can reset your password, and from there you can like create a new other password. And basically in Slack, it's used like the 2FA or the two-factor authentication. And usually, whenever you are logging in, you will be able to start logging in by like adding the code of that has been sent to your mailbox. And basically, you will be needing just to start using this one. And it really depends on how it is working, since it is up to the administration of your enterprise to set up like the permissions or the way of uh, sign in, like adding an SSO methods, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.